Hi, welcome to Parent Circles. I'm Jessica. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm the education manager with Planned Parenthood of Greater Ohio. This is my co-host, Trent.
Hi, my name is Trent. I use he, him, his, and they, them, theirs pronouns, and I'm a community health educator with Planned Parenthood of Greater Ohio. And like Jess said, we're here to talk about Parent Circles, specifically the YouTube series Parent Circles, which is all about tips and tricks and strategies and information that parents and caring adults can use when talking with their young people. This is a 4-year-old program. We've been doing this for 4 years, and so we have a lot of information that we really want to share with y'all. Parent Circles encompasses a lot of different topics. We talk about consent, sexuality, attraction, gender identity, healthcare, all of those topics, including having like special guests on to talk about different things. So there's a lot of awesome information and content that's going to be coming your way. In fact, if you have specific things that you'd like to learn about, please let us know in the comments or use the hashtag #PPGoParentCircles. And let us know, hey, I'm really interested in this topic. I'm really interested in your ideas on how to talk about this, and let us know.
Yeah, and not to worry whatsoever. The Guttmacher Institute stated in 2019 that by having these conversations, we are not encouraging young people to be more sexually active, and actually, it helps delay first sexual encounter.
Yeah. So thank you so much for taking the time to check out this video, and hope that you subscribe so you can see our new videos that are coming out. We'd like to thank our very generous sponsors, the Richland County Foundation. Without their support, we wouldn't be able to bring you this content, so we're so grateful for their kindness.
If you want to learn more and you like our videos on YouTube, please reach out at ppgoh.org, and on that website you can register for 1 or 2 personalized education sessions where Trent and myself can team up with you and your community or other parents in your network to bring this education right to you through Zoom.
Thank you so much for taking the time to circle up with us today. Bye!
Bye!